ngifuna wazi wena osekhaya ukuthi get ready. The power of God is in this place. Kukhona into ezovuleka, ikhona into ezophakanyiswa namhlanje. Inhlupheko iyabaleka endlini yakho, ukufa kuyabaleka endlini yakho, ukugula kuyabaleka kubantwana bakho. Ngifuna ukudeclare kuwe ukuthi you shall live and not die. You shall declare the goodness of the Lord in the lands of the living, and declare ukuthi you will never die before your time. You'll never die by mistake. You'll never be a victim of tragedy. Angeke ufe isikhathi sakho singakafiki. Anginandaba ukuthi bodokotela bathini, anginandaba ukuthi isimo sakho sithini, anginandaba ukuthi cancer idle kangakanani, i-AIDS idle kangakanani, kodwa ngiyathetha ukuthi uzophila awuzofa egameni elingamandla, igama lika Jesu waseNazaretha, igama elihlula ukufa. Ngiyathetha moya wokufa, moya wokugula, moya wenhlupheko, ngegama lika Jesu waseNazaretha awunasabelo. Ngiyala umoya wenhlupheko obambe lo muzi, obamba abantwana, ibopha baboshwa ngazo, baboshwa sibelekweni, baboshwa babancane, ngegama lika Jesu waseNazaretha. The power of God is in this place. Sondela, bambi radio yakho, bambi phone yakho, bambi TV yakho. Something is happening. Egameni elingamandla lika Jesu, igama 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 lika Jesu. Le varada boshanda la mamonde, le grada boshata yande, le delebo boshata yanda. Siyakhulula la kuvalwe khona. I decree and declare, you'll never buy a coffin to bury your children. Yonke into efuna wena, yonke into efuna abantwana bakho, yonke into efuna indlu yakho, namhlanje siyibuyisela emuva ngegama lika Jesu. Abantu abarejectwa iminyaka ukuthi bangathenga izindlu, bangathenga imoto, ngegama lika Jesu, I speak as a prophet over your life ukuthi makuvuleke, 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 makuvuleke. Le debo shande, le bra adaya kalande, li akaraba bosa, le vebrodo shayanda, ngegama lika Jesu. Wena osekhaya, thatha ukuphiliswa kwakho. Kunabantu abaphiliswayo, inyawo ziyaphiliswa ngegama lika Jesu. Moya wezinso, moya wama kidneys, moya we sugar diabetes, moya we high blood pressure, lenhloko engapheli eshefokothweni, ngegama lika Jesu. Bayaphiliswa, 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 bayaphiliswa egameni elingamandla lika Jesu waseNazaretha. Moya ndini ka Sathane, moya ndini kamtholi, siyakuyala unasabelo egameni lika Jesu.